Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, November the 2nd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you'll see a link for my homepage. You will see a promo code. Now the promo code is still valid for 20% off, I think until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. Okay, and you'll see the promo is Hollyboo, HOLLYBOO, all in capital letters, Hollyboo 20. And that is for 20% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. You'll also see a link for the test drive. The test drive starts on Monday, next Monday. You're getting closer and closer. And what is it? Well, for $8.99, you'll have access to our full premium service for 2 weeks. It starts on November the 9th and it runs to the 20th. Now remember, if you sign up today, what you're doing is you're pre-registering. You will not get live data until Monday. Now typically what we do is Friday, the Friday before, about 2 hours after the market closes, you'll be able to download the program so you can play around with it over the weekend. All right, well, I want to show you a trade that I took from the AI and again explain why I think that people are always wanting to auto trade the AI. And here's why I say, you know what? If you maybe take the trades automatically, though I still don't think there's a major deal to do it. I think you've got time to get into a trade, but manage the exits. So I just want to show you, this is where the AI are alerted, right there. Okay, there's that blue candle, and at 9:02. Now I didn't take this trade until 9:08. Okay, so I didn't care that I missed it at 9:02. I don't even want to say I missed it at 9:02. I waited a second. I wanted to see how it was trading. Ended up taking this trade at 9:08, and I traded most of that out on that first move, 9:25. Okay, so took a little bit up here and a little bit down there, so kind of the average. Then I got back into the trade. Now, this was not an easy trade. Don't get me wrong. This is not an easy trade because it was very choppy. But I did get back into the trade at 9:15. It was right, well, it says 9:13, but right there. And then, man, it got all the way up to 9:69, and I got out at most of it here. So, but my main point, though, is that this is what the AI did. The AI got in at 9:02, and you can see where the exit was. 9:27, okay? That was the exit price. So tell me, if you're a trader and if you got in anywhere close to 9:02, okay? Even on that first move, okay? Even if you held a little bit and sold out and then got back in, I don't think most people would never let something that has got up to 968 come all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, and wait to 920 to get out of the trade. That's just my opinion. So that's why we're saying, it's best to manage the exits on your own. Even if you just want to take out a portion. But I can't imagine that, if you're, don't have an AI or anybody telling you, well, I'm going to get out of this trade at 920. Of course you'd get out some here, and maybe the balance right around here. So that's my opinion and how you should be using the AI. But I know everybody wants to be able to just automate the whole thing, and I just, we're at the party line is we don't agree with that. So now the other one that I did end up taking a little bit of, I talked about this in the pre-market, TCDA. TCDA got absolutely hammered down on Thursday. Can't remember what the news was, but this is a bio, so obviously the news wasn't good. It had a very nice day on Friday, though. Look at that candle. Very nice recovery day. Now, a lot of times, in my experience, is that that day right there is short-lived, because for all the reasons why this got hammered down here, there's usually still an effect, but people are playing bounce plays, and then the next day, reality sets in and it comes right back down. Not today. Today we saw this in the pre-market. it was still, this is the pre-market. You know, it wasn't strong, but it hadn't collapsed. And all of a sudden the market opens and look what it, I'm sorry. This is right here. This is the pre-market, and the market opened, and you know, nice steady move. This is Friday's action, which was just fantastic. But this is sort of a continuation. Now it's coming back, but I mean, from the alert that I had here, my watch list at 597, to right there on that candle, before it pulled back here, what did it get to? 650. So I mean, that would have been a great percentage move. So, this week we, typically we put out a trade of the week, Monday mornings. There is no trade of the week this week. The recommendation was to remain in cash. Unless you live in Europe and you had no idea, but the U.S. elections are tomorrow. Obviously hotly contested, highly emotional. Tomorrow might not be, Wednesday will probably be the day in which we'll see extreme volatility in the market. Well, we've already seen a little bit today. It's interesting. I mean, there was a gap pre-market with the SPY. It started to pop up, and now it's starting to fade. If you look at the Qs, sort of look at the tech sector, the Qs are up, but they're really giving it up. I mean, the Qs are now negative. The Dow is still positive, the SPY is still positive, but the Qs have now gone negative. These, usually follow, well, not usually, they follow the tech stocks. So anyway, tomorrow's the election, and I have no idea what we'll see tomorrow in terms of the market, but Wednesday will be really interesting. So I want to shut this down, get back into the room. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Again, this is the link for the free room. And don't forget, you can sign up for the test drive. It costs you $8.99 to try us out for a couple of weeks. All right. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Election day, November the 3rd in the United States. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.